Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity. In this week's video we're going to be making saltfish fritters, and all you need for this video is your saltfish, of course, your sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, 1 onion, tomato, scallion, your flour, salt, pepper. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to boil your saltfish. So let's go ahead and start that. Grab your pot, fill it with water, turn, let that come to a boil. So I'm going to start with the onion. Our water is coming to a boil. So we're going to go ahead and add our saltfish. Okay, there you have it, guys. All our seasonings are diced and ready to be added to our flour mix. So we have our onion, tomato, bell pepper, our scotch bonnet pepper, and our scallion. Okay, so our saltfish is about ready. I boiled it twice. So now I'm just going to take it, remove it from the pot, and break it into shreds. For the next step, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. To our dry mixture, we're gonna add room temperature water, and you want it to be thick. So you pour a little and then you mix and see the consistency of the flour. Okay guys, so after you added your water, this is the consistency that you want. guys, here you have it, the finished product, saltfish fritters, and I garnished it with some fried plantain and avocado. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next week.